Listen, everyone should file returns, but not everyone will pay tax. Confusing? Let's dig in. All right, welcome back. Now, I just want to state a few differences because from January 1st, 2026, if you're in Nigeria, some tax laws that will take full effect. And by default, every taxable individual must file returns, even if they may not pay tax or they will not pay tax. All right. Now, what's the difference between filing for tax and paying tax? Let me share in this video with you. So, file return simply means you are stating your source of income, your revenue you generate, and the expenses you're making for that income in a form, right? And filing with your State Board of Internal Revenue for individuals, right? For corporate individuals, it is FIRS, Federal Inland Revenue. Of course, from January, it's now be Nigerian Revenue Service, all right? So filing simply means you are stating your source of income, your expenditures, the monies you get, whether from business, from trade, from vocation, in a form. It's called Form A. All right, you're going to state your name. Okay, let me quickly share. Let me share a screen with you quickly. How that form looks like, just a brief one. All right, let me just share that with you quickly. All right. Okay, you see that now? I'm in Abuja, of course, so that's why it's FCTIRS. All right. So in that form, you can see clearly your first name. You write your name, your middle name, your surname, right? Your FCTIRS TIN, your TIN number is there, your email address, your contact phone. As you can see beneath Part B, statement of income for the year ended 31st so and so. All the income you got from trade, from business, from vocation, you know, state them clearly there in Naira. Number 2, employment. If you're an employee, the salary you got, you know, state it there clearly. Your bonuses, allowances, you're going to state all your income, state them here. At the end, we have an aggregate total income. Look at it here, total income X. You state the amount. All right. Then, although this form it will be changed from next year. But this contains the formal rules of the format. You can see underneath, right, where you see has the old band rate 300,000, 7%. So this form course will be changed, all right, but just want to give you a glimpse of how the form looks like. So this kind of form is called tax file return form, all right, personal income tax return form for the year. So this is a sample of a form that you will use to fill in your expenditures, your income that you got for a particular year, all right. This will help the tax authority determine whether you are to pay tax or not, all right. Even if you're not going to pay tax, all right, you should file returns. You should file returns. At the end, if you qualify for a relief to be shown, right, like those in churches and NGOs, they don't pay tax, but they must file returns, show their income and their expenditures clearly, all right. So that's what filing means. So not everybody will pay tax, but everybody should file returns as long as you are a taxable individual that earn income in Nigeria or receive income in Nigeria. All right. So that's what it means. Tax filing to submit to your tax bodies that will help them check if you have overpaid your tax or you have underpaid your tax. And also if you qualify for some relief, that filing will help them determine your status. All right. So that's it. See you. Stay tuned. Bye.